Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salo. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course to make sure that you share this video. Guys, videos of Lerato Kganyago going for Maria for the ZCC's first post COVID conference rather has had the public figure in such hot water and dragged by the public's troll on Twitter and TikTok. Of course, now she posted videos on her Instagram stories, and one was captioned as "When Papa says come home, you guys," and it was followed by selfies of videos of her dressed in the color green, detailing that she is going to Moria, you guys. One troll quickly stepped into Twitter to comment and told Lerato Kganyago that her papa, being Lekganyane, if Papa was powerful, he could have helped her in being able to conceive, you guys. A very cold and evil comment, I must say, you guys. If Papa is that powerful, why can't he pray for her to be able to conceive? Lerato has been very vocal about her struggling with being able to conceive, you guys, and about her endless miscarriages that she endured, you guys. And for someone to come out here and say something so cold is just sick and twisted, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do engage them with me in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And also make sure that you share this video so that you do not miss out whenever I try to upload a new video. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding on watching this one. I will definitely and surely be seeing you on my next video, and may God bless you all. Bye.